My name is Unique Gray. I am from New York. I am the CEO of Unique Wealth Building, a graduate of Dominique's 30-day credit repair program. Before the 30-day credit repair program, I had terrible credit. And while rebuilding my credit through the program, I saw the need to help others. Since the program, my life has been structured, my business has been growing steadily. I was actually surprised at how easy the program was to follow. I mean, Dominique left no tables unturned. I chose Dominique program because I've been following Dominique for a while. Like I said, I had terrible credit, and I saw where Dominique was very honest and transparent. For anyone that's indecisive about signing up for the program, I'll just say go for it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. For me, this program was also about self-help. Dominique taught me to eliminate my fears and doubt. I have gained confidence in my business and finance. Overall, this program is a phenomenal program. I'll say go for it.